Alright guys, today we got a new offering from President. It's called the Bill FCC. Whole radio is not much bigger than a microphone. As you can see, here's the microphone for it, which is your standard microphone that would come on your Andy, your Lincoln, your McKinley with the channel up, down buttons. There's the radio. That is the radio. Very, very small. 40 channel AM. She's doing about a dead key of 3 watts. Swinging 12, which is fine. A little over the 3 watt dead key, swinging 12. And it's a nice little rig. This will fit really in your hand, no problem. It comes with your 6-pin microphone here. You can use a 4 to 6-pin adapter if you want to. Has a USB port here, 5 volt, 2.1 amp for charging your cell phones or whatever devices you may need. Nice little display, volume squelch, A&L high cut, Roger beep on and off. You have a lock to lock your frequency button over here. You have a weather alert station, emergency station. So there's your weather here.
Markers 98 to 139. Interstate 83 for mile, markers 9 to 50. Interstate 180 for mile,
Nice clear.
markers 1 to 29.
Nice clear little internal speaker. It has an external speaker jack on the back, and it comes with 2 brackets. I've seen a review out there where the guy said it doesn't. Well, my box had 2. So you have your standard bracket, or you can adjust it so it'll be able to tilt. Okay. And then they give you a slide bracket. And this you mount, and then the radio slides right in it here. It slides in and locks. So you can mount that, however you want. And if you want to slide your radio in or out. But so it does come with 2 brackets. Power cable is directly tied to the back of it. It's not, not removable on the power cable, which is fine. I just do an Anderson connector on the back there and plugged it in. Power supply. Get off the weather channels here. The auto squelch function's nice. I had to go to blue for the phone to pick it up. I don't know why. They wouldn't pick up the clear. So we'll take this off here. There's your A&L, noise blanker A&L, and you hold it, then you get the noise blanker high cut A&L. Okay, you got to hold to take the high cut on and hold to take the high cut off. Roger beep, just a push of the button. Roger beep off. Hold it in to lock frequency. Little lock on the screen there. Hold it in to unlock the frequency. Emergency channels are 9, 19. It shows you when you're on emergency. In here you have your auto squelch, you have your weather channels. Okay. One nice thing it does have, you throw it on an auto squelch. One nice thing it does have is this screen is also a channel changer. So if you were to use a regular microphone with a 4 to 6-pin adapter and you want to change your channels, push up or push down, right on the screen. Nice feature. Down, up, down, up. So you can use any microphone on this if you wish to, and still have the ability to change channels. You go to auto squelch, hold this for about 8 seconds. And it will kick into scan mode. Right there, scan is flashing. So when it picks up a signal, when it picks up a signal, it will stop. So that's scan mode. If you want to go ahead and do your key beep, which we have key beep on and off, You turn it on, hold Roger beep, key beep on, hold this button down here and turn it back on, key beep off. That's holding the Roger beep button. Hold the Roger beep button, turn it on, key beep is on. Hold the Roger beep button, turn it back on, key beep is off. Okay. To change your color, you're going to hold the weather up here and you're going to power it on. And then you just scroll through your colors. There's blue, cayenne, yellow, purple, clear, red, green, blue, cayenne, yellow, purple, clear, red, green, blue. Okay? Your microphone type, this can be changed from a dynamic to electric microphone. Okay, so to change your microphone type, it's going to be hold the ANL and the Roger beep in and turn it on. So it's pretty tricky, but you can get your thumb on both of them at the same time. You'll hear them snap, you'll hear it pop. Mic type, dynamic, hold in again. Mic type, electric. And the stock President microphones are electric. Nice little radio. They do get a little warm, which is fine. They're aluminum. 98% of this is all aluminum casting, and you got a little bit of the bottom cover for the speaker is plastic on it. But nice little radios. I'm surprised at the clarity of the internal speaker for how small it is.
Impacts. Strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Additional details. The cool front this afternoon may also be accompanied by brief, heavy.
So, and we're going to hold this in here. It's going to start spinning. Now it goes to scan. So remember that. You got to hold it for about 5 to 8 seconds before it actually clicks into scan mode. But that is your President Bill radio. Very, very small. Like I said, got a nice 6-pin connector. It's not using a network type connector. It has the power charger right on the front, which is a good thing to have if you're going to have this mounted. You just plug your cell phone or whatever right into that. It'll charge up your phone real fast. Nice little radio. Nice clean audio onto it. And there's really no adjustments to be done to it. There's a service manual for the gentlemen that need to actually get in there and work on it, but there's not much in the service manual for them to worry about or even adjust. There's 2 settings, so don't even get worried about clipping, snipping, doing things. The FCC version for United States doesn't have things you can modify in it, So, good little 40-channel radio, nice clear audio. President's been coming up with all these little radios with nice features for a while. They seem to see some other companies come out with radios and then they actually add things or re-engineer stuff to make it, have stuff the other one doesn't have and use common sense components. Like I said, there's so many other little radios out there that you can't use another microphone on because if you do, you can't change the channel. President gives you the option to change from dynamic to electric, like I just showed you. Plus, it allows you to still change your channel just by pushing up or down onto the display. So, they thought of that. Also, it does make sense. You have your CB radio plugged in. Most of the time you can reach it. Why not add a charging port? Boom, done. So I like the layout. I like the design. It's never going to replace my Lincoln. Never going to replace my Lincolns, but It is a fairly sharp looking little radio, and again, I'm sorry I had to use a blue because that seems to be the only color that this iPhone liked to pick up. I'm also going to put on screen the button layouts and functions that you'll use. They'll be coming up here shortly, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.